What's going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday. We're a few minutes early, so we're going to give it a few minutes, but hope everyone's doing well. Vlad, good to see you, brother. Hope you're doing well, man. Come on in, everybody. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Hope you guys had a great Easter. Gonna get started. Got some cool stuff to share with everybody. Come on in, everybody. Getting started here in a couple minutes. We're a few minutes early. Dwayne, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? Good to see ya. Sean, it's okay, bro. It happens to the best of us. And it's only Tuesday. We still got time to make up for the spanking in the markets today. That's okay. Got some time. Edward, what's up, man? Our March Madness champ. We're going to get into that in a second. Recap March. Come on in, everybody. Got people coming in on YouTube, Facebook. Got a few minutes. We're a few minutes early. How is everyone doing outside of getting spanked in the markets over the last couple days? Hugh, good to see you, my friend. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, big push on SOS. Yeah, I saw that too. I've been watching. Hope you all are doing fantastic. We're going to give it 2-3 more minutes as people are joining, coming in. Eric, what's up, man? Good to see you. Let me make sure our YouTube channel's live. Give me a sec, guys. All right, we're live on YouTube also. Hugh, trying your luck on Doji. Yeah, it's not a bad luck draw for sure. My Coinbase has been blowing up lately. So crypto's been balancing out my other losses. Yeah, John, yeah, my Coinbase is up significantly. Vlad, let's see, switch case in a few. I'm going to be listening in. Yeah, no worries, Vlad, for sure. I'm at work, but trying my best to watch. Ed, awesome, man. Yeah, so we're going to pick these back up. I know we took a couple weeks off and super busy dealing with regulators and stuff to make sure that all our paperwork is filed with the SEC and WeFunder and make sure that we get everybody their shares and everything. So I've been super swamped with development teams, but we're going to get these live streams back going a couple times a week. KuCoin as a trading bot. Let me write that down, Sean. I want to take a look at that as well. Yeah, keep me posted for sure. Gonna give it a few more minutes, everybody. It's so good to see you guys. It's been about a week and a half, 2 weeks, maybe even a little bit longer since we've done a live stream. Gabriel, what's up, brother? Hope you're doing well. A few more minutes. Got some people strolling in still. If you're watching on Facebook, give me a thumbs up. If you're watching on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. Got a few other channels we're going to start live streaming to this weekend, and I'll catch you all up on a bunch of stuff. Come on in, guys. We're going to give it 1 or 2 more minutes. We went live a little bit early tonight, and so it's just now 7 o'clock. Justin, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Stonks to the moon, baby. We've been hustling. We've been grinding. I hope I didn't look too much older. It's been a busy couple weeks. Keith, what's up, man? Good to see you. Yeah, my wife pointed out some grays in my hair, which I've never had before, but it's going to be worth it when we go to the moon for sure. Oh, nice, Justin. Yes, I just had a margarita, so I'll probably pour another one here in a sec. Daniel, I knew it, bro. I knew I look older. What's going on? What's going on? Welcome, guys. Miss seeing you guys. We're going to pick these live streams back up on a more consistent basis now that we have some traction moving with a bunch of different stuff. Daniel, yeah, it's okay, bro. It's okay. My bald spots are what's worrying me a little bit. Chad, what's up, man? I know it's the glasses. Makes me look a little older than 31, probably. That's for sure. No, bro. No, got to keep that shaved look. Come on now, Gabriel. You know I got to keep clean. It's about the only thing in my life I can control is this clean shaved face. Dabs, bro, dabs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, keep me, Sean. Keep me updated on KuCoin or QCoin, however you say that, because I do want to track that a little bit on my end as well. All right, guys. Let's give it one more minute, then we'll dive in. I'll give you guys some updates on what's been going on the business front, and then Edward, that's good, man. That's good. Bearded crew, I'm down. I just grew a terrible beard. This is about as good as it gets. So, cool, guys. Let's jump in. People are going to be jumping in as it's just now 7:02, but let's jump into the talk tonight. Corey, what's up, bro? Good to see you guys. Yeah, first, it's great to be back live with you guys. We've been taking a few weeks off. Been super swamped with a lot of stuff, a lot of traction, a lot of regulation and paperwork and filings. So that's been taking up about 12 hours of my day. We're in the clear now, and so now we're able to start getting back on building stuff and being able to do these live events some more. So we're going to pick it back up to 2, maybe 3 if you guys want it, 3 times a week. Christy, what's going on? Good to see you. But yeah, we're going to start picking these back up. I'm going to give you guys a new refreshed vision of what we're building. I think you all will like it. It's going to incorporate an entire trading ecosystem. We're going to talk about WeFunder and the progress we've had with the raise, how we switched the raise up a little bit to give everybody that's investing in this round more equity. Equity is another word for shares of the company. And so let's dive in. So guys, first and foremost, over the last couple of weeks, been working with the development team. We're hiring. I'm in a ton of interviews tomorrow and on Thursday with hiring engineers. And Bazinga, which is a news feed, wants to partner with our platform. So talking with them, talking with a few other broker dealers that want to start incorporating into our platform as well. So I'm going to be swamped with meetings with potential partners and vendors over the next couple of days, which is really good because if vendors want to partner with us, that means we are starting to make some significant waves in the trading ecosystem. And so, but over the last couple weeks, let me see who else. What's going on, guys? Man, it's so good to see all you guys. So we're just diving into. We're going to start with WeFunder metrics first. So WeFunder, if you all don't know, is the platform in which we are raising this next equity raise through. And the reason why we went through them was they handle all the back end regulation filings with the SEC, filing our Form C with the SEC. Frank, what's going on, man? Making waves, brother. What's up, Pops? Good to see you. And so we have an account manager now. So they assigned an account manager to us, and they said that for a brand new company, which is what we are, they have never seen traction like they're seeing with our campaign and with our company on WeFunder. And they've been around for 7-8 years and have raised almost $200 million on their platform. And so they have never. Sorry, guys, muted myself for a sec. Got too excited about WeFunder. Rob, good to see you, man. So they've never seen the type of raise that we're doing. And guys, we're almost at $200,000 raised on the platform. And we've done no promotion outside of our shareholder group. And so they are doing a write-up on us next week. They're interviewing me for their WeFunder panel, and they're going to shoot it out to their network of 1 million investors. And so I'm doing a WeFunder investor panel with the WeFunder community next Tuesday at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. Y'all don't need to tune in for that. It will be on our WeFunder page, but it's just cool that they're taking it upon themselves to promote us because they really believe in what we are trying to do here as well. Jimmy D, what's up, bro? So WeFunder's going great. And so there's more traction there happening, but that's number one. Number two, we are iterating and evolving the first phase of the platform. So remember, use case one, so that's when we went to market the first time. We're going to build a trading platform and then add crypto trading, futures trading, forex trading, and whatnot. What we're going to do now, and this is just evolving as we have more vendors approaching us about wanting to partner, and then adding something completely unique and new. Sean, it is time to buy shares for sure. We'll get back to that in a second, but something that's completely unique and new to the trading ecosystem and what we're trying to create. And so kind of version 2.0, version 1.2 maybe, the second iteration of 2.0 is we're still going to launch with a trading platform, buy and sell securities or stocks and ETFs and whatnot. At the same time, we're also going to launch a portfolio management component to our app. And so what I mean by that is, say for instance, you have a Robinhood account, Webull account, Crypto.com account, TD Ameritrade account, Coinbase, Tradeovate for futures. Let's say you have all those accounts and you're managing your portfolio over 10 different brokerages. So what we're going to do in Stonks 2.0 launch is we're still going to have the buy and sell of your stocks right within the Stonks platform, but you're also going to be able to integrate your current portfolio at companies like Coinbase, Webull, if you want to stay there, TD Ameritrade, and let you be able to manage everything from our platform. And so we're partnering with a company called Plaid to be able to integrate that, which will then feed into our next launch or our next update, which is a Stonks Bank. And so we've been talking with a few banking vendors that want to get us bank accounts for our platform so that you can essentially put money into the bank account and then distribute it to your brokerage account. So that is coming down the line, which moves us from about a $20 billion market cap, which is where we're competing right now, to a $350 billion market cap, and moves us from about a 14 million to 15 million users that we're going after to 100 million users that we're going after, just by adding that into our first version of our app. So really excited about that. I'm putting all this into a pitch deck, and we'll be presenting it on probably Sunday night to prepare for our investor panel on Tuesday with WeFunder. But I wanted to get that to you guys first before I share it with the WeFunder community, so that you guys can have a chance to ask your questions about kind of the updated 2.0 version, and then ask any questions about our go-to-market strategy on that as well. So that has been literally taking up my entire mind for the last 2 weeks. And so sorry if I've been delayed on getting back to you guys, but it's a significant move forward. And since we are not diluting any of our shares, remember we have 10 million shares, and once they're gone, we're not issuing anymore. That means we can push intrinsic value into the share price, the cost per share. So even you guys that got the 5 free shares by being referred here or just coming on board and joining the wait list, then I am glowing because I'm really happy about what we're making happen here. And so we're just going to push massive intrinsic value into our company. And so anyways, that's my updates over the last couple of weeks. Super excited. Again, I'm putting all that data and information to a pitch deck. I will send it out to our community first so you guys can review the pitch, review the go-to-market strategy, review the market cap and our cost, customer acquisition costs, and then I will present it to the WeFunder community after you guys have been able to review it for yourselves. So Yeah, Vlad. Okay, so let's open up for questions, guys. Again, I want to be able to open this up. That's my updates over the last week and a half. There's a lot more of that to come, a lot more meetings to come. But let's start moving into questions. A lot of you guys have questions about getting more shares. If you want more shares of the company, then it needs to be done through WeFunder. And so go to WeFunder.com. Actually, I'll put our link in the chat real quick. Stand by. You go there. If you don't have an account yet, then you'll need to open an account on WeFunder. And then the Form C, which is the form for the SEC, is being filed this week. So as soon as that gets filed with the SEC, it will start to debit your account. So if you've invested already and your account has not been debited yet, it's because we just filed the Form C with the SEC. So that was the last hurdle for us to be able to make the raise official on WeFunder, which now means because we filed that, now WeFunder is going to promote our campaign to the 1 million investors. Also, side note, they love it so much that they are spending, our account manager said $10,000 on ads just to drive traffic to our WeFunder campaign as well. So they are also invested now into our project and want to see it successful. So again, I want to make sure you guys get into it first before we open up to the crowd. Yeah, if you go to that link, let me know if you don't see it. But if you go to that link, then you'll be able to invest in that. Vlad, great question. So Vlad asked, when is the app coming out? We're still on track for a few months. So tomorrow, so what we had to do is we had an outside development agency that was starting to wireframe our app. After talking to I have quite a bit of CTOs and security professionals in my network, they are recommending as advisors to start bringing that in-house as we start to integrate and launch so that we can control the security aspect of it. So that's what I'm working on this week, is hiring an in-house team of engineers to be able to finish the front-end coding, integrate it with the broker-dealer, which is still Alpaca at the moment, and then be able to integrate the APIs with Plaid so that we can manage our portfolios from the Stonks trading platform as well. So we're still on track for a couple weeks to a month and a half, not too far off of our timeline, but there's a lot more that we're putting into version 1. So I want to make sure we get it right. When we go to market, we want to make sure this is right, but it's coming. So thanks for the question. That's awesome. Yep, I'm glowing. I have not been tanning, but it's been nice in Iowa. So Daniel, go ahead and go that WeFunder and invest if you want to get some of the equity here. Has anyone talked to Funko about making an Anthony riding the Stonks rocket pop figure yet? That would be awesome. But I haven't talked to them, but that'd be pretty hilarious. Brandon, thanks, man. Yeah, we want to make sure that we're not only a trading platform, right? We want to decentralize investing, right? So my vision for not for this launch, but for the second iteration is once we have Stonks Bank on our platform, we'll be able to have a crypto exchange. You'll be able to micro invest into real estate properties, all right from within our platform. Pre-IPO companies, you'll be able to do right from our platform. OTC markets, right from our platform. Investing into brand new companies like a WeFunder, right in our platform. So we're integrating all that right now, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a really awesome platform, completely decentralized. And in fact, I have a diagram of what I'm thinking. That's what it looks like. So you know how real I am with you guys. So this is current state, right? So this is us, the retail investor, and these are all of the different brokerage platforms we have to do anything. Future state, which is Stonks, is here, us, Stonks wallet, and then you control everything from the wallet. So this is not going to be on the investor pitch. I have this in a slide, but But there you go. That's my realness right there. This is how my mind works. So again, everything's completely siloed right now. We want to bring all that into one wallet, and then be able to trade it right from our crypto wallet, or from our crypto or fiat currency wallet right within the Stonks platform. All right, let me see here. Is it true your spouse is better at jiu-jitsu than you? Well, my wife just earned another stripe today in jits, so technically on paper, my wife is better than me at jiu-jitsu, but my wife don't have that cauliflower ear. So thank you, Dad, for bringing that up. Appreciate that. Get Elon Musk to share us. I'm trying, man. Is max bet still 10K? I believe in you. Your honesty stream. No, max bet is not 10K. So our round on WeFunder will cap at 1.5 million. That's 15% of the company that we're raising on the WeFunder platform. So if you want more than 10K, go for it. The math is 10 million. We have 10 million shares. Our market cap is $10 million. We're going to raise 1.5 million. That's 15% of our market cap. And so anything that you want to invest into this raise is going to be capped at 1.5 million. So we did have a guy invest $100,000 last week and a half ago on WeFunder. So there's a lot of traction, and that's where we're going to cap it on a 15% raise. Again, it's by the crowd. We're not taking institutional money. I'm very dead serious about not taking investment bank money, VC or private equity. This solely needs to be raised from the crowd, and that is what we're doing, and we're going to live by that. So Steve, yeah, the max is not 10K, and I appreciate the trust. We are in this together. You are my co-founders. I am your co-founder, and so the more we can get this done together, the more successful we will be. Granted, look, guys, this is not a promise, but the market that we're going after is $250 to $300 billion. If we can capture 1% of that, which there's no doubt in my mind that we can capture more than 1%, even one share would be worth thousands of dollars. And so that is the goal, is to push intrinsic value into this company by providing products and services that real people, real retail investors want to use. So anyways, let's get back to these questions. You all know I can rant on this forever. I live and breathe this stuff just like you guys. So let's see. This is great news. Love being able to do it all in one place. Great minds think alike. That's right. So that's the thing, is we want everything to be in our ecosystem. Stonks wallet, Stonks baking, Stonks exchanges, and a Stonks crypto. So I'm talking about, so I'm flying to Portland. That's where I'm from originally. I'm flying to Portland in a couple weeks to meet with some investors that are in the Stonks community, but also people that want to build a crypto for us and possibly a mining operation. And so that's all going to be in the Stonks ecosystem. So again, I'm deadly serious about pushing as much as we can into our trading ecosystem so that we don't have to ever leave our platform. So again, that is what we are building. Kali, that's right. My question has been answered. Keith, awesome. If you have any more questions, let me know. Corey, yes, sir. That's why I got up at 2:30 this morning, ready to go. It's fun, guys. This is a great time. How would you feel if the app was advertised after it's created on people through SEO? I have a guy who's absolutely phenomenal at SEO. It can be advertised now. Yeah, but absolutely. We will be using SEO and inbound marketing and some other ad buy strategies. So Vlad, shoot it my way. Let's see, all in. Yes, sir, Frank. How to invest, Ryan. I will put it in the comments again. If you go to wefunder.com or just go to wefunder.com and go to Stonks Trading, then you will be able to invest. You have to be able to create an account, or you have to create an account with WeFunder, and then I would do it from the desktop, guys. The mobile version is not very good, unfortunately. So do it through the desktop. It's a little bit better if you have not done so already. Stonks Coffee, Stonks Trucking, we can own it all. 10,000 equals how many shares? So Daniel, that's a good question. We'll have to do the math. Roughly it's 10,000 shares, right? And so again, our market cap is 10 million. We're going to raise up to $1.5 million in this round, which is 15% of the company. So just do the math, it's about $1 a share. And that is what roughly that will get you. So the round that we're doing is a convertible note, which means this note is debt at an 8% interest rate that converts into equity in a year. And so same thing. It's just how the investment world kind of works on those notes. Send a message to Hyperchange. Hugh, that's awesome. Thanks, man. Been here since 50 likes on Facebook. This growth is amazing. And Jody, for one, thanks for being here from the beginning. Second, the growth is amazing. And think about this, guys. I have not bought a single dollar worth of ads in a month, 5 weeks. This is all organic. This is all you guys spreading the word, sharing Stonk's profiles, sharing it with your friends and family. When this round closes on WeFunder, it costs us $1.05 to get somebody to get a new user on the wait list. So $1.05. So think about that. If we can raise $1.5 million, we can invest $300,000 into advertising roughly. That'll get us 250 to 300,000 users. So think about that math for a second. Like, what does that do to our share value, right? And so it's a math game at that point when it comes to ad buys. And so we are progressing. We're going to progress very, very fast once this WeFunder round has closed. Keith, absolutely. So Stonk's Academy will have different levels of education. But one thing that we're going to add into this, and I know a lot of people don't dabble into the futures markets at all. I do. I trade futures for my own reasons, but I love trading the futures. What we are going to do is in the Stonk's Trader Academy, you are going to be able to, if you want to do it, you're going to be able to earn a funded trader account if you pass our trading academy. And so what that means is if you pass our criteria in the combine that we have, it's 2 steps, and we'll roll out the rules as we finalize the program. But you'll be able to earn a $50,000 trading account to trade futures within Stonk's Academy if you graduate the academy. And so more on that to come, but it's a really awesome program that I've been studying for a really long time. And the CEO of the company we will partner with is begging us to integrate it into our platform. So more on that to come. But if you have any desire to learn how to trade futures, specifically to earn a funded trader account, just be on the lookout for that. We'll throw up a wait list pretty soon for that specifically. But then secondly, in the Stonk's Academy, we're going to have different levels of investment education, from a very basic level of like learning like covered calls and credit spreads and debit spreads, all the way to like real like investment advice from registered investment advisors. So there's a lot of that curricula going to come out over the next month and a half and 2 months. But yeah, we want to be a fully educating platform and then an entire trading ecosystem, because there's no reason why we can't build it all into one. So I hope that answered your question, Keith. Yeah, Daniel, it comes out to about $1 a share. Yeah, and so so that's about what it comes out to. Ryan, you're welcome. Also, will there be paper trading on Trading the Academy? Yes, absolutely. There will be paper trading. Stonk swap sheet. Almost completely off topic, but I saw NFTs on your sweet diagram, so I'm going to drop a shameless plug. Would appreciate any upvote. Hey guys, okay, so Corey has been with us from the very beginning, and you can see it in his comments. He has created masterpieces, literally masterpieces, and has them on Foundation app, which is an NFT site. Please go there and just upvote it so that he can get more traction with the platform and the investors on that platform. He's the one that runs our Facebook and Twitter accounts, completely volunteering his time, and so we can do him a solid. Go to foundation.app. It's in the comments. Corey put it in the comments again, and then let's just upvote it for him and get it to the top. Did we get stocks in the last round, or this is stock buying round? Yeah, you got stocks. If you got your shareholder agreement, everyone has stocks, right? And so just by being on the wait list, everyone has shares. We're going to finalize all that once the WeFunder campaign closes. Then we can leverage our legal team to just get it all done at one time. But if you have ever signed up for anything, I have your data, I have your contact data. You are in our cap table, even if it hasn't been finalized on paper yet. But I have an audit trail. You have an audit trail. I keep everything, so there's complete transparency. Everybody on the wait list, whether you bought shares, have free shares, are in the WeFunder campaign, you're going to get your shares. So, yeah. So, word of mouth is best. Yes, it is. Absolutely. What's the closing date for WeFunder? Justin, we don't have a closing date yet. I will finalize that after the investor panel next week. And the reason why I don't have a date on that close just yet is WeFunder's been telling me, now they can't make any promises, but WeFunder's been telling me that after they promote us, we could see a huge surge in investment within like 3 or 4 days, which could get us to our goal. And in that time, we'll close it then. If we don't get to our goal, like we can do a lot with 500 grand, which is kind of like, we have a few milestones. 250 is our next milestone, then 500, then $1 million. We can do a ton of work with 500 grand. We can do a ton of work with 250,000. So we'll kind of look at that. Like if it's taking 6 weeks to get to 500 grand, we'll go ahead and close it down, get that money so we can start building more, and then we can open up another round. Basically, I want to raise enough to give away 15% of the company to the crowd through funding. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I'll probably have a better time frame on that after the investor panel with WeFunder next Tuesday. Good question though. I'm going to learn the futures. I love futures, man. Let's do it. Is the WeFunder round revenue sharing or equity? If it's equity, I'd like more. Okay, guys. So it was revenue sharing, and I'll put an update in WeFunder as well. But literally, almost everybody is like, I want more equity. I don't want revenue sharing. So last week I changed it, and now it is equity. So we did away with the revenue share. Ever since we did that, we raised about another 50 grand in 24 hours. So it is equity. The round is 15%. That's where we're going to cap it off of. So the math is somewhere around the value of the company is 10 million. We're going to raise up to 1.5 million. So 15% of the company is going to be to the investors in this crowdfunded round. And then we'll shut it down and continue to give shares of the company away. So so it's an equity round now. Equity also is another word for shares, for stocks, right? So it's all interchangeable in that fashion. So it's an equity round. Crooked letter, great job, Anthony. Them aren't gray hairs, them are moon hairs. Yes, you are right. They are moon hairs. Let's just run with that. They are absolutely moon hairs for sure. Chad says, keep up the good work, Corey. Corey, keep crushing it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Well, let's keep going on a few more questions. Any more questions, guys? Guys and gals, about WeFunder, about Referral Rock. Remember, if you guys have not logged in, we're going to start doing a lot more updates on Referral Rock dashboard. So we're trying to centralize it in just a few places so everybody gets the data and information that they need. But any other questions? Moon hairs. Let's just start that hashtag, guys. Moon hairs to the moon. Let's go. The mod team is absolutely amazing, and we're going to have a mod hall, like Hall of Fame. These guys are absolutely crazy and awesome, and they're crushing it. Hundreds of new followers based off their work. Okay, guys, so let's continue to see. Bumped up my investment. Want that plaque, Eric? Let's go, bro. We're getting those plaques out. They're gonna be pretty sexy too. Joshua says WeFunder's still not debited. Okay, so a few of you guys have brought this to my attention. About 80% of people have been debited. And so basically what the account manager told me, and this is all I can tell you guys, is if you have not sent your investment to WeFunder Cash, it has not been debited yet. It's either going to be pending or not committed yet. And so check your profile to see if you've committed the investment or if you've sent it to WeFunder Cash. If you have not done that, when the Form C clears the SEC, which should be any day this week, then your investment will be debited from your account. And then we'll also be able to invest with credit cards as well. So I'm not sure if anybody wants to invest with credit cards, but we'll also be able to take credit card investments on WeFunder as well. So and that's not my rule. That's not WeFunder's rule, but that's an SEC rule. So until that Form C is filed, there's only so much that we can do from a collection. Now that the Form C has been filed, it takes a couple of days to process. Now that's going to start being debited. So there's a $30 fee. Josh, let's just wait a few more days. I have a call with the account manager tomorrow. I don't want you to have to pay $30 for an investment when we can just wait a few more days and then it'll just clear automatically. So for those of you, I know there's about 20 of you that have been having problems with getting WeFunder to debit your account. That is an SEC regulation rule where until we file our Form C, you have to send it to WeFunder Cash and then it's debited. Once the Form C has been cleared through the SEC, which is going to be, again, anytime this week, then they'll debit just like a normal transaction. So sorry, Josh. I know that's super frustrating and annoying. I wish I could change. Maybe someday we will change it by having our own platform. So that does that kind of stuff. But thanks for bringing that to my attention. John Michael, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Ohio beer to check out Market Garden Lemon Shandy. That sounds great. I am forever calling it moon hairs when I get older. No gray hairs for this guy. That's right, bro. Vlad, these are moon hairs. Sorry, Anthony, getting a little slow lately because my plate is overflowing at the moment. Stonks Art and Concrete season is in full swing. Bro, don't apologize. You're crushing it, dude. Don't apologize at all. I'm also seeing the $30 fee. Yeah, so guys, you can commit the funds without sending it, and then once that form clears it, that fee should go away. So sorry about that. Super annoying, I know, but I'm working on that as fast as possible to get the regulations cleared up. So that's been literally taking a ton of my time, and so I'm going to be very happy to put that behind us as well, so we can move on to way more fun stuff like taking down Wall Street. That is what I live and breathe. So not taking down Wall Street in the sense of we want it to still be there because trading's hella fun, but forcing our way at the table so that these people hear us and you know where I stand. So thanks, bro. Thanks, Vlad. Appreciate it. Cool, guys. Well, yeah, let's man, I miss doing this. Let's keep doing these some more. I got some fancy lights. I don't know if I look brighter, but I got a little glow going because I got these lights. You can probably see it in my glasses a little bit. So just trying to show the beautiful parts of my face, I guess. So all right, guys, couple more. Let's go a couple more minutes on questions, comments. If you're excited, not excited, let me know. We're gonna have a crypto coin also, so that's what not this week, but next week I'm gonna be meeting with some crypto engineers to see. Oh, I thank you. I guess it is fancy, so but yeah. So need a green screen and graphics. I know it's coming. It's coming. I definitely need that green screen. I almost bought one the other day, but I really don't like buying stuff, and so I'm pretty conservative when it comes to spending money. But I'll get it. I'll get a green screen. I need an editor too that I can just dish some videos off to. No more hedgies. That's right. You guys want a sweatshirt that says that? I guess it's summer now. Should we do a tank top that says no more hedgies? Keith, I'm fired up too, bro. More Hawaiian shirts too. Yes, sir. It is time for some Hawaiian shirts. Next call that we do on Sunday, mark your calendars, guys, and tell your friends. Tell your friends to get on these calls too. I'm gonna wear a Hawaiian shirt. I'll probably wear my parrot one just for you guys. Throwing a party in my head. Dude, I'm always throwing a party in my head. They're terrible, but in a good way. No, they're not terrible, bro. They are not. Oh, Kevin, Platinum Stonks card. Side note, guys and gals, when we integrate Stonks Bank, which I think will be in 3 months, within the next 3 months, we will have a Visa Stonks card. And so just keep that on the burner. We're gonna be able to attach rewards to that as well. I was thinking rewards in the shape of a Stonks coin, like a crypto coin. Let me know what you guys think about that. We can do other rewards if that doesn't seem interesting. Who am I kidding? I know that seems interesting to all of us. So I was thinking Stonks Bank with a debit card, Visa rewards. The rewards are our own token or coin. So boom. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. Need to play. So Kevin, that's what got me on that tangent a bit. Intro mining for the crypto. Can we set that up to run on the small group of us before opening the markets? And yeah, so that from the crypto mining perspective, so I'm mapping it out. Again, I'm going to talk to the engineers, the crypto engineers, and specifically an engineer that already has a very small mining operation. I don't know if it's very small, but a small scale mining operation that I want to either partner with or take over so that we can start mining cryptos that belong to Stonks Trading, which means if you're a shareholder, which all of you should be if you're on the wait list or have bought into the company, then everybody benefits from that, from the revenues made from the mining operation. So there's portions of our company that is not going to be open to the market. You'll have to be a shareholder of the company, and we're going to use revenues from our products and services to fund either business acquisitions or crypto mining operations, or whatever kinds of streams of revenue that we can make that the shareholders will benefit from. Again, my whole goal is to push real intrinsic value. There's two types of value in a share, right? There's extrinsic value, which is forward earnings, which is inflated prices. And there's intrinsic value, meaning if we liquidated the company, how much real money is attached to that share price or that stock. So my goal is to push as much intrinsic value into everybody's stock price with very little extrinsic value. The extrinsic value will come, when we go either IPO or public through a SPAC or something, and that will trade at a forward earnings multiple. But I want intrinsic value so that everybody has some real value attached to their shares. Let's see. Super stoked for everything going on. Just wanted to say thank you, Anthony, and also to everyone else involved. Jimmy D, bro, I'm glad you're involved as well. I'm in Alaska. I'll take a sweater. Dude, Gabriel, I got to get back to Alaska, man. I love Alaska. I know we polling for Stonks coin. I'm leaning towards Moon coin crypto. I love that. That's a fantastic Moon hair crypto. I like all of it. Yeah. How many shares have been sold to date? That is a fantastic question. Sold is not the right terminology here. It's more like how many shares have been issued to date, because we're giving away free shares, right? So we have only issued very rough, give or take 20,000 here, okay? Just because I don't have the cap table in front of me. We have issued about 220,000 shares. 200,000 shares, something around that ballpark. I can have a better answer for you on the next call. I can look at the cap table, which means we still have a lot to go. Like, we're just getting started, guys, and like this is how much progress we made already off of only giving away 220,000 shares. That's not including the WeFunder raise. So obviously, if we raise up to 1.5 million, that's going to take about 1.5 million shares away off of our cap table. But we still have a ton to go. There's 10 million shares on the cap table. And so, so we're making progress. Again, as that starts to chip away, that means more and more users are coming to our ecosystem, which means when we eventually charge for the app, which is going to be about $7 to $10, if we get to 500,000 people on our platform, I mean, you guys can do the math. that's super high value, intrinsic value into our shares. Crypto rewards, love it. Any news on the Stonks crypto? Vlad, I was just kind of alluding to that. There will be a lot more news in the next couple of weeks when I start meeting with the crypto engineers. And then I want to tie it into our Stonks banking Visa rewards when we roll that out as well. Stonks Mooncoin, love it. Need some Stonks digs to show off on my TikTok. Justin, yeah, and guys, I've been trying to figure out TikTok, like for real. I've spent a few hours trying to figure it out. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I'm gonna start rolling out some TikTok videos also. Mining Stonk coins, Stonks weeds, bro. Let's go. Still need the correction. Adam, thanks, bro. I'll write this down, Adam, so I don't forget. Thank you. Mike, what's up, bro? Cool, guys. Any more questions before we wrap it up for the night? Oh, quick question for you guys, and a few of you can answer, and I probably get a good pulse. Just it is insane platform. Actually, I'll send up. Go follow me on TikTok. I don't even know my handle, but if you follow me, I'm gonna repost this hilarious video. But can you repost the refunder link? Yeah, for sure. Give me 1 second. Rob, there you go, bro. Go follow me on TikTok. I think my username is, let me look, hold on. I have 1 follower, so don't judge me. That's my TikTok username. Can you guys see it? Go follow that real quick. AL Hughes 01, and then follow Stonks Trading as try Stonks as well. I think is what it is. That's my family. Boom, there they are. Hawaiian shirts and fake mustache, yes. And then there's a hilarious TikTok video that I'd love to share with you guys. So if you want to see it, go follow my TikTok. Okay, so one question I have for you guys. When I do the daily text updates, because I've been getting mixed reviews, so I just kind of want to get some good data so I can make adjustments. Ed Raleigh, you know you won March Madness. I'll get to you in a sec, bro. So on the text updates, would you guys rather have me do a YouTube video, you can just go watch it, or would you rather have a long form text? Please tell me which one you would rather do or rather have, and then I'll make sure that I make that the priority. So would you rather have a long form text, or would you rather have just a link to a video that I do the daily update on? That's right, bro. Mike, you better believe that. Okay, so John Michael says text. All sorted via text, YouTube videos. Christina, perfect. Couple more guys, maybe 10 more. Do both video and text, sometimes one, sometimes the other. So mix it up. That's what Keith's saying. Mix it up. Honestly, good with either. Found ya. Thanks, bro. Text updates are great. Videos are good too. Whatever's best. Text for me. YouTube would be better for the future prospects. There's no doubt about that. Text is easier at most times for me. I'm easy. I like both. Okay, fine. I'll just do them both. It's no problem. And so, okay, I just do them both. Pretty simple. For the people that can't watch the videos, they have a little text update. For the people that love watching videos, which I'm a very visual person, the videos I can do. It's no problem, guys. I just wanted to see what you all thought as well. All right, guys, real quick, we have an announcement. Edward Raleigh, ladies and gentlemen, absolutely crushed the March Madness competition. Complete. Let me just tell you how many Ed did real quick. The final count. Absolutely insane, guys. So the competition for March Madness was $1,000. Ed, text me your Venmo, or if you'd rather have 1,000 shares, let me know. But Edward Raleigh sent over 131 referrals. Absolutely incredible. Now, Ed, you need to get him involved, bro. Let's go. Congrats, Ed. Everybody say congrats to Ed. Let me know. Ed, shoot me a text. Tell me if you want that 1,000. If you do, send me your Venmo or Cash App ID. Or if you want 1,000 shares, I'll bookmark that for you. Just let me know. Shoot me a text. Corey says take the shares. You do whatever you want. But guys, we're gonna come up with another referral competition. Not this month because I really do need to focus on WeFunder. However, next month in May, which is my 10th year wedding anniversary, by the way. I know I don't look that old, but I've been married to my sweetheart for 10 years. In next month, but in May, I'll let you say, in May, we will be doing another competition. I'm going to sweeten the pot a little bit because May is going to be our absolutely rocket ship month in growth. So that's going to probably be around the time that our WeFunder campaign closes. We're going to be able to dump a lot of money into advertising, and then hopefully we'll be rolling out that really sexy version 2 of the app right around there. So, anyways, yeah. So April we're going to take the month off of referral competition, but May we are going to gear it up again real hard. I might even compete with you guys and refer my own network and see who wins. So anyways, Corey, 17 years, bro. Congrats, man. That's huge. Congrats on being married so long. Thanks. It's awesome. I only tricked one. You only got to trick one, and she stuck with me this long. So, yeah, it's been great. We have 2 beautiful kids, and trying to make a better future for them, trying to make a better future for this community, and collectively we are doing it. We are making huge waves. Yeah, so Ed, I think I missed. Oh, challenge accepted, bro. Come on, I was D1 wrestler. I will compete with you guys all day long. Let's go. So, Miyaka, you are missing part of the chat because you're on YouTube. Some of these chats are coming through Facebook as well. So if you, a majority of our traffic is on Facebook for these live chats, and so go to our Facebook page and you'll be able to see these chats coming through more as well. So, okay, guys, it is 10 to 8. I've been up since 3 o'clock this morning. I went on a really awesome bike ride this morning. It was like 65 degrees here this morning in Iowa. And let me get back. I joined every group on social media I could find and started talking about apps and dropping yes. Boom, yes. Thumb wrestling. These concrete Fisher hands are gonna smoke your ass, Anthony. Probably. All right, guys. I gotta bounce. I got a few more things I gotta wrap up tonight. I'll shoot you guys a text tomorrow, a quick update with a little bit of video because I know you missed this face. But keep spreading the word, guys. We are going to the moon. Keep believing that. Keep helping me drive to that goal because we are building a legacy lasting company together. So I appreciate you guys. Y'all are awesome. Inspire me every day to get up early, stay up late working for you guys. So I appreciate y'all. If you need anything from me, you know I answer these texts. And so let me know if you need anything. Until next time, guys, much love. I'll see you guys on Sunday for our investor / shareholder / good hangout / ask me anything / happy hour. But until next time, guys, I'll see you all next time. Cheers.